Toyota has launched an all-new HiAce range of vans that delivers vast improvements in driver comfort, performance, safety, and functionality. Sitting on a substantially longer and wider all-new platform, the new HiAce combines efficient new turbodiesel and V6 petrol engines that deliver more power, refinement, and drivability. The latest suite of Toyota Safety Sense features and the redesigned cabin with improved ergonomics for greater driver comfort and convenience. The new V6 petrol engine provides a huge increase in power and torque compared to the previous model's 4-cylinder unit with peak boosted power by 89 kilowatt, while peak torque increased from 108 Newton meters to 351 Newton meters. Although total capacity for the new turbodiesel engine has been slightly reduced, it too offers more peak power and torque with an increase of up to 30 kilowatts and up to 150 Newton meters compared with the 3.0-liter predecessor.